Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to do my March unboxing of my card club kit that I receive every month from the Stamps of Life. I am a club member, and I also, if you follow me here, you know that I received the Die Hard club kit. I will leave that March unboxing video here if you didn't get a chance to see it. But every month, it's like goodies in the mail. Happy mail. So they always come in this box here. I'm going to pull everything out so we can check it out. All the funness. Every month it includes these big pockets to put all your kit in so you don't lose any of it, especially if you have scrap pieces you want to keep. Sorry for the crinkling. But this is the wonderful cardstock palette that comes with this month's card club kit. Every month you get cardstock from the Stamps of Life that coordinates with everything in your kit, so you don't have to think. It'll just automatically match. Matchy matchy. So those are the cardstock. You do get envelopes for the cards, as well as 2 spools of ribbon. This is beautiful summery ribbon this month. We also got these material buttons. We've received similar ones like these before. I think they're cute. The only thing is they're chunky. If they were a little flatter, I would like them even better. But yeah, so they match, see? As well as we got these stickers here. They're vinyl puffy stickers that go with the papers as well. We also received a sentiment die, and it has 2 different flowers stamped. It says thinking of you, and what does it say? Just in case you forgot, I'm always here for you. Aw, so sweet. So that's the sentiment that comes with the kit this month. You also get inspiration cards to get your creative juices flowing if you should need them. It says thanks for being a club member. Enjoy your free gift. So I got another free gift, and it looks like it's this hello die with a shadow piece as well. That looks fun. Fun. So there's the die. Thank you, Stephanie. So we get that free die this month. As well as this one, maybe like a hippo-y animal. I don't know. Cute. So that die as well. Look at that. You better get on it if you want this club. Look at all of this. We got another batch of dies, and these dies match the sentiment that we got from the stamp set. And it'll cut out the flower, both flowers, and a shadow die as well. So yes. And then the sentiment die we got says sweet memories. It also includes a shadow piece. And I love these like resin, like raspberry type of pop dots. Not pop dots, but enamel dots or gemmies. But these also will go with the collection. And then the paper pad we received, I'll do a flip through. The paper is so beautiful. The quality is awesome. But you can see pretty colors. It'll go well with all the embellishments we received in the club kit. And if you're a die-hard member like I am, your dies will cut these out. So these are the dies that I received from the die-hard kit. And you see, the die will cut the flower out. You just have to get it right. There you go. And then we also have dies that'll cut out these flowers and the leaves. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be back with some samples in a minute. Okay friends, I'm back. So I did make this card from that inspiration cards we get in the kit that I talked about earlier. And so that's the first one I made to get my creative juices flowing. I'm just adhering it to a card base. And I added some glossy accents to the middle to make it shiny. So I was just showing you, that's what I use. But coming up, I'm going to show you how I put it together here. And I have a bunch of card bases that I pre-cut to 4 by 5 1/4. And sometimes I use them to cut out pieces. As you can see, that turquoise cardstock. But I usually end up covering it, so that's why I do that. And I'm just trying to arrange the flowers as I want them on there. And I'm going to add a happy birthday sentiment. I do believe I popped the middle one up on some foam dots to give it a little dimension. There we go. And then I also added some of the leaves that were die cut out of the paper pad as well. And these centers, I think I used those raspberry enamel dot type of sticker things we got in the club kit. I don't know what to call them. I'm sure there's a name for it. But I'm just adding the leaves here. And then I just need to add the sentiment, which this time I put it above the flower cluster instead of under the flower cluster. So there you go. Those what I'm showing you what I put in the middle of the flowers. And there's the sentiment. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing the video and subscribing to my channel and sharing this video with a crafty friend. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm just trimming down the sides of the sentiment to create this little banner. No, what are those called? I don't know. But there you go. And then I will add that to a card base, which my card base is 5 1/2 by 4 1/4, which is an 8 1/2 by 11 sheet of cardstock cut in half. And those two pieces you end up with folded in half. And that's an A2 size card. And that's what you can use for a base. I was just trying to see if I should add something, but sometimes, you know, you add too much and then it's too much. I just add these little rhinestones that I had. They're not Stamps of Life, but I just added 3 of them right there alongside the upper right-hand corner. And then like I said, add that to a card base, and then that completes the card. Okay, so here it is being attached to the card base. And then I'm just trimming off the excess that hangs over the card. And there's the completed card. So there's both of the ones that I was inspired by the inspiration card from the club kit. I'm going to play some music and assemble more cards here. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comments below. Enjoy the video. I'll be back. Okay, so that's the stamps that I used. These are some scraps that I have left. And then that's the die cut I used to make the ovals that you saw I was just making on those cards. And here are some of the other cards I made off camera. A shaker, and I used that Hello die that was the free gift in the club kit. So I did get 14 cards out of this club kit. Stay tuned. You're almost to the end. I have a hidden giveaway. But for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas. So if you stayed, this is my hidden giveaway. Please leave a comment on the video. I will be drawing the winner on April 10th. And these are the cards you will get. Must be a subscriber and 18 years of age.